Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today we will be making a beautiful beaded garland with interchangeable seasonal decor. And for this season we will use lemons, as you know. I bought this lemon slice at eBay long time ago, and also we will use some fishing line like this one. I stole this one from my mom, but I will be giving it back. And also twine. And those beads I bought at eBay, they are 1/2 inch or so for the garland. So let's get started. First we're going to take our twine and we're going to wrap it around our hand a couple of times like so to make our tassel. Then we're going to take a little bit more twine and wrap it in the top part of our tassel like that to make the tassel handle. And also we're going to take another piece of twine and we're going to make our tassel head like that. Give it a couple of knots, cut the excess, and then open up your tassel like that and cut the excess of your twine or tassel. Now we're going to take some of this and we're going to insert it in our tassel. After we insert it, we're going to tie it a couple of times after we trim that. We're going to tie it a couple of times like so. And then we're going to measure a long piece of fishing line and we're going to grab our beads and insert them into our fishing line just like that, and we're going to repeat that with all of the packages. Now we are doing the last package of beads. I had 5 packages of 10 beads and I paid like $3. Yes, Walmart had it, but it was really expensive for just 12 beads. And now we're gonna make another tassel same way we did the first one, wrapping it around, tying it, making the head of your tassel, and then inserting it to your fishing line. I'm showing you again how I make my tassels, and you keep on doing that. And now you open it and trim it down, measure it with your other one and trim it down. And now you're going to insert it to your fishing line just like that, and tie it like 3 or 4 times so it won't become undone. Like so. I'm making the knot right here. It has to be really tight so your beads won't move. So make sure it's really tight to your beads. Cut the excess and insert that last piece inside your beads. It's a little bit hard, but you can make it. That's because we don't want that fishing line to get loose, and you will lose all of your beads if that happens. And this is how it looks. Now we're gonna make our lemon slice and we're gonna add some hot glue and some twine, and we're gonna wait. I couldn't wait and mine became undone. Look at that. Oh, that's it. You wait a little bit for it to set and then you wrap it around your tassel, and that's it. You have a garland with seasonal interchangeable decor. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, we have right here our lemon slice, removable one, and our beads. This turned out so beautiful. I will be making a couple of them for sure. This is how it looks. And remember, you can change seasonal decor. You can add maybe a leaf for fall and some snowflakes for winter. I don't know. That depends on you. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.